Number 2. Familiarity breeds contempt. The dangers of overexposure in relationships. There's a certain paradox inherent in human relationships. The closer we get to someone, the more we understand their flaws, their weaknesses, and their limitations. While this intimacy can deepen bonds, it also opens the door to contempt. The phrase familiarity breeds contempt speaks to this very phenomenon. In the context of power dynamics, where influence and authority are at stake, this truth becomes even more significant. Those who are too familiar with you, who know you too well, may lose respect for you, seeing you not as a leader, but as an equal, or worse, as someone they can manipulate. Familiarity is often seen as a positive aspect of relationships, fostering trust and closeness. However, when it comes to maintaining power and authority, too much familiarity can be a double-edged sword.